Change is happening all around us. We have seen firsthand how these changes are affecting our creative community, as many of our friends, families, and colleagues are being forced to question their futures. In search of inspiration in this uncertain time, we are sharing the encouraging stories of 3 industry experts from different creative fields. They say that a different future can be a better one, and we stand with them on that statement. Listen to what professional wedding photographer Aya Kay, travel content creator Nicole Eddy, and documentary filmmaker James Suter have to say about our evolving reality and how they have innovated to keep up with it. The link to that full video on our IGTV is in the description below. We have partnered with Canon South Africa to give back to our community in this time of great need. We are asking you to participate in shaping the direction of our changing world by sharing your stories of positive change. Those who share stand the chance to win one of 2 incredible prizes from Canon, further equipping themselves to take on this brave new world with courage, innovation, and some of the best gear in the business. Canon has generously offered the following as prizes. For the runner-up, a Canon EOS M50 mirrorless camera vlogging kit to the value of 15,895 Rand. For the winner, a Canon EOS RP mirrorless digital camera with an RF 24-105mm lens and an RF adapter to the value of 39,295 Rand. This is how you can enter. In a video of no more than 2 minutes in duration, tell us how you, your business, or your community has adapted to the challenges of the last few months, and how these changes will positively impact your world moving forward. Post your video submission to your IGTV or Instagram feed. Follow both at OrmsDirect and at Canon RSA. Tag both of the accounts in the description of your video, and use the hashtags MakeItBetterWithOrms and Change the World with Canon so we won't miss your submission. For the full T's and C's of this competition, please see the link to the Orms Connect blog in the description of this video. We cannot wait to hear how you are making your changing world into a better one.